What if I told you you don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face, and you don't even need a big audience to start earning online in 2026? Most people missed Bitcoin. Most people missed NFTs. But AI influencers are the next wave. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how anyone can create an AI influencer and get paid using a single platform. This is Higgsfield, and this changes everything. Right now, brands are paying virtual influencers millions of dollars. But until recently, creating AI influencers required expensive teams, custom models, and months of work. Higgsfield completely flips that. With Higgsfield, any creator can create a fully original AI influencer, control how they look, move, and behave, generate videos without filming anything, and most importantly, get paid for it. And the best part, you don't need followers, you don't need experience, and you don't need expensive tools. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing generative AI platforms built specifically for creators. They've launched two powerful products. First is AI Influencer Studio, where you create and animate your own AI character. Second is Higgsfield Earn, where you upload your content and earn money based on performance. Let me show you exactly how this works. This is Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. Right away, you'll notice something different. This isn't just image generation, like this is a full character creation system. Inside the studio, you get two ways to create an AI influencer: Builder mode and Prompt mode. Let's start with Builder mode. Builder mode gives you complete visual control over your AI influencer. First, you choose the character type. You're not limited to humans. You can create a human, ant, bee, crocodile, and many other character types. Next, you select gender. You'll find multiple options such as male, female, trans man, and other gender identities. After that, you choose ethnicity or origin. Options include African, Asian, European, Indian, Middle Eastern, and mixed. Then comes skin color. You can select from many preset tones or even use a custom color for a unique look. You can also customize eye color, including black, brown, blue, green, purple, white, or custom colors. Higgsfield also lets you add realistic skin conditions like vitiligo, pigmentation, freckles, birthmarks, scars, and more. And finally, you choose an age group: adult, mature, or senior. Already, your AI influencer feels detailed and realistic. Now, when you turn on advanced options, Higgsfield unlocks even more control. You'll see three main sections: face, body, and style. In the face section, you can customize eye type and details, mouth and teeth, ears or horns, face skin material, and surface patterns. In the body section, you can control body type, left arm, right arm, legs, and overall structure. And in the style section, you can customize hair, head style, accessories, markings, and rendering style. At this point, you're not just generating an image, you're designing a complete digital character. The second option is prompt mode. Here you write a text prompt describing the AI influencer you want, including appearance style, mood, or personality. Higgsfield then automatically generates an AI influencer image based on your prompt. Prompt mode is perfect if you want fast results or already know exactly what kind of character you want to create. Both builder and prompt modes. Create AI influencers that you can reuse repeatedly. Once your AI influencer is ready, whether created using builder or prompt mode, you can turn it into a video. Higgsfield's motion engine lets you generate expressive and realistic movement. You can create talking videos, social media ready clips, or short cinematic scenes. Videos can be up to 30 seconds long in HD quality with smooth and controlled motion. Perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok style content. No camera, no studio, no filming. Once everything looks good, you simply click. Generate within seconds, you get a ready to post AI video that you can download and upload immediately. No copyright issues, no consistency problems. Now here's what truly makes Higgsfield different. This is Higgsfield.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass, and a Cardi. I'm his favorite motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker.
Sorry, I cannot hear you. I'm kinda busy.
You're just a playboy, I ain't tryna playboy, I ain't thinking about you, not thinking about you.
I wanna live in that mansion. Playboy bunny was happening. Pedal to the metal, I'm gas.
Earn, the first monetization platform where creators earn directly from Higgsfield. The process is simple. First, log in and connect your YouTube or Instagram account. Second, publish your AI influencer video. Third, paste the video link inside the Higgsfield Earn dashboard. And fourth, track performance and get paid. There's no manual approval, no waiting weeks, and no brand deals required. Even small creators can earn because rewards are based on views and performance, not follower count. Influencers are still early. Most people are just watching. But creators who start now are building digital assets. This is one of the simplest ways to start earning in 2026. AI influencers plus Higgsfield. If you missed previous tech waves, don't miss this one. I've added all the links in the description below. Create your AI influencer using Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio and start earning today with Higgsfield Earn. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.